Hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It is the Easter season right now, and I'm gonna make one of my favorite Easter side dishes, and it's a vintage recipe. I just think it's so much fun. It's pineapple casserole. Come to my kitchen and let's make it right now, okay? The recipe uses canned pineapple. Make sure you save about 6 tablespoons of the juice. In a medium bowl, you will need to put in 5 tablespoons of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Mix that up. I'm adding a can of pineapple tidbits that's been drained, as well as some canned crushed pineapple. Mix it up and pour in a glass baking dish. And next comes a thick layer of cheddar cheese. For the topping, we'll need 2 sleeves of crushed Ritz crackers. Yum! And a stick of melted butter. Mix it in and sprinkle it on top. And now I just bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until bubbling. Pineapple casserole. Pineapple casserole. Oh, how I love you. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. Hope you have a very happy Easter. What do you get if you cross a rabbit with shellfish? The oyster bunny.